Yes, I'm in Ikea. Wow, so I'm looking at this kitchen, which is pretty cool, quite nice. And I've just seen this really cool idea for a capsule apartment. I mean, literally, how cool is this? So you've got your bedroom, and then you have like this dividing wall, and you come through and ta-da, little office space. And that's quite a clever idea, isn't it? So, you know, guys, come to Ikea maybe. Food for your brain, getting all these good ideas. Anyway, I'm on the hunt down for household stuff, so it's been a long time since I've come to Ikea. Next stop, Meadow Hall. Pancakes at Ikea? Loving the props in Ikea. OMG, I'm just so loving the props at Ikea. Look at that delicious cake. Good enough to eat, but it's plastic. Oh well.